I'm Andrew Lonsberry. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Path Robotics. So Path is an AI robotics company. We focus on making robots really, really smart. And we specifically focus on making robots learn how to do human-based tasks. So I first met Schenck process through Rick. Basically, he wanted to be able to have a digital thread running through his entire manufacturing process, starting with an engineer being able to click go and watching the entire process move through his factory completely through digitization or robots doing the operations at hand to create their products. Schenck process is interested in a digital transformation because they want to be able to expand their business. Currently, lots of small to medium manufacturers are gridlocked because they cannot find a new labor source to be able to allow their companies to grow. Whereas other companies that are now currently focused on deploying robots, and deploying more techniques that are in a digital thread, have the opportunity to grow faster and grow larger. This is a bottleneck for Schenck process, and this is why they really want to focus on working with Path to be able to start to unlock that digital transformation and to set them up for growth into the future. One of the great things about Schenck process is they make a lot of things. They're not a single product company. They make thousands of products, which makes them a high mix company. So every day there's a different part going through Schenck. And what Path does specifically to help them is we've created a solution that allows the flexibility to be able to run thousands of different parts through a robotic system completely on its own. It doesn't matter what Path Robotics system is looking at. We see, we understand, and we weld. But that's just the beginning for us. As a company focusing on creating robots that learn how to do human-based tasks, there is a lot of operations at Schenck process that aren't just welding. There's grinding, there's painting, there's assembly, there's packaging and shipping. And every piece along that way, we want to be a partner with Schenck in the future to help them offset that labor and to, again, set them up to be a factory that's infinitely flexible and infinitely scalable. We see Schenck continuously growing internally and continuously taking on more. That level of dedication to growth is something that we want to mirror and we want to match. This is the commitment we're making to this partnership, that today is not the last day that we're with you, but it's the first day of kicking off the journey together to take on this digital thread.